Breakfast is ready! Everyone, come here!
Coming, Dad! Wait! I cannot find my shoe.
Look under the sofa.
It is not there. Room! Room! Let me help you. Is it near the door? Oh, here it is! Bird! Bird! What? Bird and shoe. Noah, that is silly. Wait, I hear something again. It is coming from my shoe. Let me look. Let me see. Something is moving. Wow, Noah is right. It is a bird. A very tiny bird. Baby bird! Hello, little bird. What are you doing in my shoe? I think he likes me. Friend. He looks lost. Where is his home? Maybe his nest is in our garden.
Maybe. We can look for it later.
Hello, little bird. Your name is Pip. Mom! Dad! Look what we found!
What do you have there?
Is that your shoe on the breakfast table?
Dad! Look inside!
Oh my goodness! A baby bird!
Poor little thing. He must be lost.
He looks hungry.
Can we give him some bread?
No, Leo. Baby birds cannot eat bread. They need special food.
Cookie?
No, thank you, Noah. Birds do not eat cookies.
Oh. Can we keep him? I want to call him Pip. Yes! He can stay in my room.
Leo, Lily, listen carefully. Wild birds belong in the trees. They belong in the sky.
A house is not a good home for a wild bird.
But he is too small to fly. He needs us.
That is true. We can help him today. It is a temporary rescue.
Temporary means for a short time.
Exactly.
So we help him? Then he goes home?
That is the kind thing to do.
Okay, let's help Pip.
Here is a safe box.
I will put a soft towel inside. Cheep! He is happy. Look! Wow! He is my friend now. Friend bird!
You are being very gentle, Leo.
Let's put the box outside in the warm sunshine.
Stay here, Pip. We will get some water.
Everyone inside.
I will be back soon, Pip. Kitty! Milo! Be careful! Milo, no! Bird! Dad! Mom! Help! Milo is following Pip! Pip! Where are you?
Stay calm. We will find him.
Leo, check the flowers. Lily, check behind the tree.
Pip! him!
Got you, Milo. No chasing birds today.
You are safe now.
Safe! Safe! Look!
A big bird!
She looks just like Pip. I think that is his mother.
Really? She has been looking for him.
His family found him, just like we hoped.
Do you have to go?
You did a wonderful job. You kept him safe.
I wanted to keep him,
I know.
but he belongs with his family.
That is right.
Wild birds belong in the sky.
Helping someone sometimes means letting them go home.
Mommy bird! Baby bird! Happy bird! Bye-bye, Pip!
Have a safe journey. Goodbye, Pip. Fly high. That was a wonderful adventure. Today, we helped a baby bird find his mom. Now it is your turn. Question number 1. Where did we find Pip? Did we find him in a hat or in a shoe? Question number 2. What was the cat's name? Was it Milo? Or was it Charlie? Write your answers in the comments below. We would love to read them.
No bird!
Good!
I need my shoe today.
See you next time. Keep learning English.